Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of swimwear with a focus on tummy control. If you're in the market for the best swimsuit that offers both style and functionality, you're in the right place. Introducing the Smismivo Tummy Control Swimsuit for women, a game-changer in the realm of swimwear. This one-piece bathing suit is designed to flatter your figure while providing excellent tummy control. So you can feel confident and comfortable whether you're lounging by the pool or catching some waves at the beach. What sets this swimsuit apart from the rest? Let's break it down. Firstly, the ruched pattern on the torso works wonders in concealing any imperfections, giving you a sleek and streamlined silhouette. Say goodbye to self-consciousness and hello to confidence. But it's not just about looks. This swimsuit is packed with features to enhance your swimwear experience. The adjustable shoulder straps and V-neck line offer a vintage-inspired look, while the push-up bra with light padding provides support and shaping where you need it most. Available in a variety of colors and sizes, finding the perfect fit is a breeze. Made from 82% nylon and 18% spandex, this swimsuit is as comfortable as it is stylish. Plus, the full lining ensures that you can enjoy your time in the water without any see-through mishaps. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the Smismivo Tummy Control Swimsuit, praising its flattering fit, excellent coverage, and overall quality. Whether you're lounging poolside or taking a dip in the ocean, this swimsuit has got you covered. So there you have it, the best swimsuit with tummy control on the market today. Say hello to confidence, comfort, and style with the Smismivo Tummy Control Swimsuit for women. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy swimming!